Hi guys, this is GSMDome.com and this time I'm here with a watch. It's the Redmi Watch 4. For just 100 euros, you're getting an excellent Apple Watch imitation and rival. It's got an aluminum body, SPO2 and heart rate sensor, and a beautiful AMOLED screen, ultra-large, 1.97 inches, up to 20 days of battery life, and a rotating crown button, which you can use to go between its applications and features. It has a versatile analysis of heart rate, SPO2, sleep, and more. And here you can see some widgets like alarm, also pulse, and also breathing, running, and so forth. And if you go into the main menu, you should be able to see the quick settings. And if you swipe down, you should be able to see the notifications. Now, the activities included here are quite generous, from running, walking, freestyle, cyclism, treadmill, jump rope, but there's much more. There's contact sports, there are aquatic elements, dancing, soccer, even card games, even society games are here, which is amusing for me. They put card games in the fitness area. There's GNSS system here for global positioning, and you can take Bluetooth phone calls from your other device. And here you have the SPO2. Here you have, I'm guessing, with the stress measurement. You can control music and the camera on your handset. You have here a flashlight feature, sounds and vibration, do not disturb, pin, battery system. This is one of the best panels I've seen lately, especially for the price of $100. I'm actually impressed. It even has always on display, which is a pretty cool feature. Sadly, on this unit you cannot change the watch face, but we do have a black version of the watch, which is a bit cooler if you ask me. And if you keep it pressed, you can change the watch face. There are 100 of them, sportier ones, elegant ones. It all depends on your needs, and some of them even have complications. So if I keep this pressed, you can also do edit here. And courtesy of this watch here, of this rotating crown button, you can do some editing. And these are the complications which you can go around changing. So yeah, I still have to get the hang of it. Edit, complications, steps, calories, standing, and so forth. First impression is very positive for the Redmi Watch 4. It will be a hit at just 100 euros, but I look forward to testing it further, especially when it comes to the accuracy of the heart rate sensor and those promised 20 days of battery life. I actually prefer the gray white one, but it's up to you. It depends on what your needs are. What's sure is that the crown button is quite responsive for us. This is from us. Goodbye.